वेलकम टू लर्निंग टू ऑनलाइन। हम इस वीक के 6 to 12 दिसंबर के वीकली करंट अफेयर डिस्कस करने वाले इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर। आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को और इसका पीडीएफ आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पर मिल जाएगा। नियम सिटी प्रोजेक्ट इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन विच कंट्री? ऑप्शन डी सऊदी अरेबिया। Who has become PETA India Person of the Year 2020? Option C John Abraham. Which India company has acquired 80% stock of Big Basket? Option B Tata Group. Between which country passes exercise is being organized in Eastern Indian Ocean region? Option B India, Russia. Which bank has a partnership with Rufil and Visa to launch Rufil Business Credit Card for MSME? Option B Axis Bank. Which state started no helmet no fuel campaign? Option A West Bengal. Which space agency passenger and flight engineer has grown a reddish crop in International Space Station? Option C NASA. The first Indian racer who wins the Formula 2 Grand Prix? Option C Jehan Duruwale. International Day of Banks is observed on which day? Option C 4th December. The RTGS system of transaction will be made available round the clock with effect from which day? Option B 14 December 2020. Which country powered up its artificial sun? Option A China. Which is the second country that has unfurled its flag on the moon? Option C China. Armed Force Flag Day is held on which day? Option D 7th December. Which state government has launched Mera Koid Kendra app? Option C Uttar Pradesh. Which country has banned cotton imports from China citing slave labor? Option A USA. Which bank has launched payments and banking service and iMobile Pay? Option A ICICI Bank. Which country has successfully launched Galfone 14 Earth observation satellite? Option C China. Which country will host the World Economic Forum 2021? Option C Singapore. Sweden ranked at which position on in 16th Climate Change Performance Index 2021? Option D 4th. The Submarine Day is celebrated on which date? Option C 8 December. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed on which date? Option A 9 December. United Nations declare as the United Nations International Years of the Mountain Area? Option C 2002. The first International Mountain Day was celebrated in? Option D 2003. International Mountain Day is on? Option D 11th December.